Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Dementia Rising not working. So if the game won't open, keeps crashing, stuck on the loading screen or even not connecting, these are some of the quick fixes that are going to help you to get back in fast. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, if the game is stuck on the connecting or loading forever, it might not be from your end. So here you need to close the game completely and you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes and try it again. You can also open your web browser. Here in the search bar, you can search for downdetector.com. So down detector is basically the website which is going to show you the graph or the report of any of the websites or the games, and it will show you whether it is working properly or not, if the servers are down or not. So here you can come and you can just simply look for dementiarising.com. After looking for it, if you see that the graph is down or if it is not showing up over here, it means that the problem is not from your end. You can also check the game's Discord or the community pages in order to confirm any kind of outages. So if there is any outages from the game's end, you just have to do nothing but to just wait for some time until everything get fixed. Now, in the second method, what you can do is you can simply restart your device and you can relaunch it. So whenever you face any kind of stuttering or crashing problem, this is the first thing that you need to do. So you need to click on the start menu here. After that, click on this power button, then click on the option of restart. Basically, you need to restart your PC or your laptop, then you need to open the game again. So most of the crashes happens because the game gets stuck in the background. So a quick restart is going to fix this problem very easily. Now, if the issue still persists, you can just try updating the game. So you can open your Microsoft Store. Over here on the Microsoft Store, you can look for Dementia Rising game. If it is available here, if you see any kind of update option, you just have to update the application from here. You can also come on the official website of it. After that, you can see if there is any latest update relating to this game available. So if you see any update, you just have to update the latest APK and see if it is working properly or not. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.